Good morning. I am Patti Armbrister, and I want to show you around. This is what used to be my yard when my son and I lived here, and he was the lawn maintenance person. Well, he graduated from high school, went to college, and I decided that I wanted to grow food instead of mow lawn, which I didn't really like wasting time mowing lawn. So this is what I've created. It is some grapes and all kinds of plants intertwined, from perennials to fruits to herbs to flowers and pollinators and beneficial plants. So I'll just kind of walk you through. We had a gorgeous rain this morning, and we've had more moisture than I can remember in all the years that I've lived in Montana. We're in eastern Montana, and we are in a very dry, arid, semi-desert area, which has normally 12 to 14 inches rainfall, but we have had a lot of rain. And as you can see, we're pretty progressed. This is still the last week of May. Normally, we would not even be considering growing or planting out any of the warm season plants. But I have, because the extended season is calling, or extended weather forecast is calling for warm nights, and we're having nice days. Look at the size of that garlic. Oh my gosh, I think this is the most bumper crop year for garlic I've ever seen. So you can see commingling of all kinds of plants. I'm into native plants. These are native basin rye, and those are some hybrids back there. Honeyberries, they bloomed, so anticipating them to have some fruit. Intertwined here with our onions and all kinds of herbs. This is one of my favorite plants. It is Mexican sunflower. They are just unbelievable. Pollinators just love them. Gorgeous. A lot of cabbages. More tomato, pole beans, potato, garlic. Gonna be winter squash. There's sunflowers planted in there to deal with this microclimate. The microclimate is that it's due west, and it is extremely hot and extremely dry and punishing in this part of the yard. So the sunflowers will give those plants a good break from that afternoon sun. Some raspberries. They're usually out of control. Having to weed a lot of them. So if you know me and want raspberries, usually I will gift them readily in the spring because I have way too many of them. So we're trying to go vertical as much as needed, and we'll make microclimates with those vertical growings too. We've got some tomatillas, our trailing nasturtiums, and summer squash. One of our greens beds, and how they were babying up carrots seems to be working. In the walkway here has been traditionally always wood chips, but we have planted white Dutch clover in some of them, not all of them, but a few of them. So another greens planting. Always have beneficial flowers in there. Gonna have two, which will help us with the cabbage butterflies. Sorry about my shadow. And our pretty kitty. So as you can see, it is a lot of plants, but a lot of food. Getting those fruit trees to live on that back fence. There's also going to be winter squash on that back fence. Look at these tulips. They have been in bloom for more than a month. And let's check out the high tunnel. This is our mini high tunnel. I call it mini because it's only 16 foot. Is it 16? Yeah, I think so. But super handy, grows a lot of food. Cucumbers, boys, flowers intertwined, strawberries, some bigger tomatoes that were in a trellis back there. More tomatoes, a trellis, peppers, might trellis, we'll see, time will tell. And the brown rod there to check for moisture. Of course, in here we always are checking for moisture, but it's set up to flood irrigate, and so only water every 10 days or so. Well, that's kind of the quick tour. Give you an idea of what's going on. I plan to come back at you, let you see more how it's growing, how it progresses, and we are also in a hail-prone area, so let's hope that we don't come back to that. But for now, this is Patti Armbrister, the Agrarian Food Web, and the Wise Grower Guru. We are a coaching service for gardeners. Check us out on the web. Have a great summer.